Make sure your Instagram live videos are at least 1 minute long if you want to post them on your profile. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. If you're planning on going live on Instagram, but you want to post that video on your profile wall afterwards, you need to make sure to plan your live to be at least 1 minute or longer. And that may be harder than you think. A minute is actually a pretty long time, and so plan ahead, do a practice run, and time yourself if you have the intention of making this live video a post. If you have any questions about this strategy, please leave them in the comments and reach out if you need assistance with any of your video marketing needs.